Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of a 43-inch Ramco 3-head wide belt sander. If you have questions about pricing, availability, or if you have surplus machines you'd like to sell, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com. Also remember that all of our machines are located right here in Naperville, Illinois, and that we do not broker tools to ensure quality. We are also processing anywhere from 40 to 50 additional machines, so check back often as we do not list machines until they've been thoroughly cleaned and checked. Again, this is a Ramco 43-inch 3-head wide belt sander. It does feature a digital thickness readout and scale on it. So basically you can come in here, you can hit set, you can hit 4 inches, and you can hit start, and it will move to 4 inches. This is also your reset button, so when you first start, you want to hit this. So if you hit your emergency stop, you're going to want to reset your whole machine. You can also do table up manually through these two buttons, or you can raise and lower it via the small manual hand wheel on the bottom. We did dress the feed mat out for the first time. It had never been dressed. There's no gouges, rips, tears. It's a really high quality feed mat. It's, again, really got a good grip right now since we did just dress it. There's no dry rot, it's not cracking, and I would say it's in excellent shape and easily say it's got 90-95% of its life left. Other than some dirt between the fingers, that's about it. But again, a really good quality feed mat. If we go underneath, you're going to see that you do have a toolbox, some tools, your leg levelers. To the right of the machine, you're going to see that you do get 40 abrasive belts with this machine, from 80 to 220 grit, the bulk of which are between 180 grit, 3 dust manifolds, open up the side of the machine real fast. Your first 2 heads are 11-inch helical grooved rubber. That first head is 30 horsepower. The second head is 25 horsepower. That 11-inch diameter is going to give you a good contact ratio on your wood. The bigger drums also do track better. Your third head is a combination head. It's a 5.5-inch helical rubber head with a platen. We did put new graphite on the platen. All the heads have been dressed out. The grooves are nice and deep, and those are defect-free, meaning there's no memory, no grooves. So again, good drums in this machine. We're going to start up that first head. Starting the second head. We're going to turn the conveyor on. It's on the highest feed speed currently. We'll go ahead and turn that feed speed to the lowest setting. Again, when you hit the brakes, you can hear everything stops as it should. You'd pop this, hit your reset. Again, a nice, clean 43-inch 3-head Ramco wide belt sander. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.